this is Noreen from Joy of Cards and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please click the subscribe and the little bell thing and you'll be notified when my videos release. So today's video, I want to show you something super important, both for demonstrators and for hobbyists and for everybody. And that is my joyofcards.com site has a shop. And it's not just a shop for the Stampin' Up! Stuff directly, but also my personal shop. And what happens, since I am a YouTuber mainly, I only do about 4 card classes a year. I sell all my retired stamps. All of them. Stamps, dies, anything that retires through Stampin' Up! I get rid of because all my videos are using items that are current. So I put them on my site. And here's my joyofcards.com website. So joyofcards.com. Kind of sounds like that naughty book from the 70s, but we won't get into that. Anyway, so when you pull up my site, it'll look like this. You'll have my logo. If you ever notice, there's a sheep and the Irish heart is because I'm Irish. Anyway, so there's a little icon here, or right here, it's called shop. And if you click on shop, now if you have a cell phone, it will look a little different. This is what it looks like on a cell phone, and what you do is you push on the little 3-line things, and there's a shop. Now there's Shop Stampin' Up! And there's Shop Joy of Cards, so you can see them here. These are a lot bigger, Shop Stampin' Up! Shop Joy of Cards, and on my laptop here, we're just going to push on the Joy of Cards. Now once you do that, what you're going to get is card kits, buy cards, PDF tutorials, retired products, social media tutorials. Some things don't have anything in it. Right now, there are card kits. So if we click on card kits, what comes up is I have one card kit up right now, and it's a Christmas one. So you could literally buy everything from this video in the card. And all you have to do is add however many to the cart. Now, for the card kits, I think I put in 5 kits at a time. You get 2 cards each. They're $10 plus shipping. So that's what that looks like there. Now, if you did it on your cell phone and you click on card kits, it pulls up like that as well. So you can order card kits on my site. So there's a card kit. Now we're going to go ahead and go back to getting retired products. Now we're back to the main page. I'm going to click on that shop again, Shop Joy of Cards, and we're going to go to retired products. That's where a lot of things are, is right here. And you can see all my stuff. Now, a few months back, I had some poor lady buy some retired items, and I was having a problem with my website, and those things were obviously gone. But that's all fixed. Everything's cool. And so you can click on one of them here, and I'll bring it up, and you can add it to your cart. Now, with a retired, there's generally always just one. But you never know. I might have multiples of it, or I might be selling paper packs or anything like that. So you go ahead and you just add it to stock, add it to your cart. Now, it says here 1 in stock, but if you add it to your cart here, it will go ahead and put it into your cart. And it pulls up right on the side there. So I'm going to go ahead and trash that, because you can just trash it if you don't want that and go back. Now, if you also look on my description here, it's the description of the stamp set. So it's catching butterflies. All my retired sets are used. I use them in my videos. They usually get only done a couple of times. So, but you never know. Every once in a while, I'll have a brand new one. I just didn't get to it for whatever reason. But also, there's under the description here, there's a link to the YouTube video. So you can literally go on my video and learn how to use the stamp set. So that's kind of nice. Now go ahead and stop that. That's my crazy voice. But anyway, that's how you would do the retires. Now there are stamps. I've got some ribbon on here. There's stamp sets that have the stamp and die. I believe I have a couple of punches here. Yep, I have the umbrella builder punch and the vase punch. So what's great about purchasing like this, and this is how I'm going to do it going forward, is you just go on my joyofcards.com shop Joy of Cards, and go to retireds and just click. You can use your credit card. The credit card merchant account all goes through PayPal. So it's all legit. So there's no problem clicking on my links or anything. Now let's go back. There's one other thing I do want to show you. So these are all the ones I've got going. Now, the mini catalog, this is 2022. The mini catalog is up at the end of December. So I'll have a whole bunch of things in January. Now I do have some of my local ladies here that gobble things up as I go. Or as you see a video, if you want to send me an email, Noreen@joyofcards.com. You can say, hey, I'm really interested in getting that retired set. Can you hold it for me? And I probably will. Now, I had one lady I was holding a set for, and I emailed her 3 times, and it was that trailer one. And she never responded, so I had to give it to my Ruthie. I love her. Anyway, so also go back to shop and go to Joy of Cards, and I have buy cards. So I have a billion cards, as you can imagine, and they're all here. Now, the thing about the cards is that the shipping's included. So you get the card, the envelope, the plastic little sleeve that goes on there, and the shipping for the price. So like this beautiful card right here, I can't believe that I still have it. So if you're a new subscriber, email me, Noreen@joyofcards.com. If you're a brand new subscriber, I actually give away cards too, but there are cards on here that you can buy. So I've got cards, card kits, and my retireds. And like I said on the cards, and I'll put it on there, and I don't have it on that right now, but I should in the future. I'll put the video, because there's a video on every single card I have. You could even look Joy of Card. Go on just myjoyofcards.com and search for that card, and you should be able to pull up a video on every single thing here. Now, I don't have a lot of cards on there right now because I just started putting up the cards. Like this is one of my favorite cards right here. It just turned out really pretty. Oh, there is a link. Look. And you can click on that link and you can go, how did she make that card? So even if you're not buying the card, I got to shut this lady up. Shut up, Noreen. Anyway, so even if you're not buying the card, you can go on my cards and go, how did she do that? Click on the link and you'll go right to my YouTube channel, which is kind of nice here. So I'm going to get out of that. And of course, at any time you can just go shop. You don't have to go back. But I also have Shop Stampin' Up. Believe it or not, I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so you can purchase things from me. All my videos, if you go to the description of my video, there are links to everything about that video. All the description, the dimensions, everything I used in it, anything that you wanted to buy, like my glass here. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so anything you click on my site is safe. And an Amazon affiliate means, like if you were to click on a video and you wanted my glass here, which I love to death, then I would get a little kickback if you bought it. But not only that, any link that you click where they're an Amazon affiliate, what happens for the next 24 hours if you were logged into your YouTube account and accept the cookies, is that I get a kickback on everything you buy. It doesn't matter for the next 24 hours. And what that means to me as a small business, I want to continue making videos and continuing on with Stampin' Up. So it gives me another revenue stream so I can keep doing it. So, and I'll show you that in a minute. In fact, let me pull one up. Another way to shop is when you're on YouTube, and if you go search and do the @ symbol and then Joy of Cards, right? That is my handle. That's new. Anything @ and then the handle name will pull up a site. So @Joy of Cards, you can see a lot of my videos, well, all my videos here. And you can look for my video and like, let's put this one up. Okay. And it's going to start up. So let's tell it to be quiet. Now, if you look at a YouTube video, right here, there's 3 little dots. After you push those 3 little dots, you can show the transcript, and I'll show the transcript here. But what we really want to see is the description of my video. And here is part of the description right here. And you click on show more, and look, it pulls up everything. So if I were to go on here and look at, here's my non-Stampin' Up supplies with links. So this is my glass and the folders I use, the magnets for my dies. And then the Stampin' Up links are right here. So you click on a Stampin' Up link and it will bring up my site. So this is Shopping with Noreen. This is the direct Stampin' Up site. And my direct Stampin' Up site is joyofcards.stampinup.net. So if we go back, let's just get out of this and go back up to the Amazon link. Here's the glass that I always use. And if you were to buy this glass right now because you went through my video, I get a little kickback and it helps me do my videos. Or if you got out of here and just, came back a couple hours later and did all your Christmas shopping or Hanukkah shopping or whatever shopping, I would actually get a little kickback for like 24 hours. So it really does help me have a revenue stream, and so I can keep doing this. Also on the bottom, you're going to see that I put the card base front and the inside with all the dimensions here, and then there's all my links as well. Now you might see my old Stampin' Up address. It's noreenbrongart.stampinup.net. I recently changed that. I have to go back on all my videos and change it to joyofcards.stampinup.net anyway, but it's just another revenue stream. And if you use your cell phone and go to YouTube and click in or type in @joyofcards, which is my YouTube handle, it will also do the same thing. So you can go and look at my cards. So that is a description of how to shop on my website, joyofcards.com, shop with Stampin' Up through my Joya cards, and shop and get all my retired stuff. I literally, as soon as they retire, I put it up as quickly as I can, and I get rid of it. Cards include shipping, envelopes, plastic protectors, and the stamps are the stamps, and it will calculate shipping and tax if applicable and all that. So anyway, that is my new site, and I hope that helps. If you have any questions, put it in the comments, and I'll answer you right back. So that'll do it for me. Thanks. Bye.